I'm Esme, and this is Polyvine's Heavy Duty Extreme Varnish. It's simple to use. We suggest applying just 2 to 3 coats to a prepared surface for the best results. If a very high level of durability and stain resistance is required, then we'd suggest applying 2 coats of satin finish, followed by 1 coat of dead flat finish. This varnish is designed for use in more high wear areas, giving an industrial level of protection, curing in just 16 hours. It also has UV blocking and absorption, which reduces greying, aging, and deterioration of surfaces. This is a perfect choice for your outdoor projects, as the waterproof varnish will protect against mildew, mould, and fungus. This varnish has endless uses, whether for wood, worktops, doors, furniture, or public areas with high traffic like restaurants, pubs, or tourist attractions. Thanks so much for watching. For full application instructions, further product information, and to find your local stockist, visit polyvine.com.